Hi guys, this is Vicky, and I'm going to show you how to make your own custom ringtone for your iPhone or mobile phone using Garageband. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to get a song. I'm going to use I'm a Slave for You from the episode Brittany and Brittany. Okay, then you drag that onto your desktop. Then you open Garageband up. Wait for that to load. Okay, so once it's open, you go voice and you call it Ringtone. This is like my 15th one, so I call it Ringtone 15, or you can call it anything you want so you know where to find it on your desktop. So when it opens up, it should come up with the normal screen. Then on your desktop, you drag the song in. If I can find it. Yep, there we are. Drag that in. Okay, then move it to the start. And just make sure it's the right thing. So, yep. Then you go share, send ringtone. Your iPhone ringtone length needs to be adjusted, so that comes up, and this little yellow bar controls where your ringtone goes. Okay, now find a part of the song where you want your ringtone to start. So you try and find the chorus. So I want to start around there, then press play. Then your ringtone should start playing. Now, where's the chorus on this thing? Okay, I want my ringtone. Okay, it's the chorus of my song starts around here. And then you just have to figure out where you want to stop it. Okay, I want that a tiny bit longer. I'll take it up to 40. Once you've got your ringtone fixed, just make sure it's right. Okay, that's my ringtone. Now I go share, send ringtone to iTunes. And your thing should appear in ringtones now. And just discard that. Okay, these are some other ones I've done. This is Borderline Open Your Heart, Googly Colour. I have Dynamite, Extraterrestrial, Hummingbird Heartbeat, Fire, a chipmunk version of Borderline, Holiday of Madonna. I just like this starting bit. If I Had You. I'm going to say that. And then that should appear there. Then just call it the song. And I've also done Telephone, the clear one. And this song which probably no one will know, except me. Okay, so that's how you make an iPhone or mobile phone, smartphone ringtone.